Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are going to be reviewing a brand new facial self tanner, and this one is the Rose and Caramel Unity Unisex Tanning Drops for face and body. We're just using this on my face because that's normally what I do. So yeah, gonna be a lot of fun. We're just gonna read up on the details. We're gonna test it out and see what it does, and I'll let you know if I think it's worth your money. So before we get into this, please, 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 you guys, give this a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Really helps me out. Thank you so much. But if you want to see my review of this self tanner, stay tuned for the rest of the video. Alright guys, like I said, this is Rose and Caramel, another Rose and Caramel self tanner review. I loved the body one. If you haven't seen that video, make sure to go watch it to see like my full review on it. But I am very excited to try this one because of that one. So here's hoping that I love this. So I have it pulled up on the website, so I'm going to read the details, let you know what it's all about, and then we're going to test it out on my face. So again, this is the Rose and Caramel Unity Bronzed Face Tanning Drops. 1 fluid ounce goes for $32, so standard pricing for a facial self tanner, I would say. And then the description says, tanning drops reveal a glowing complexion with Unity Tanning Drops. This versatile formula adapts to all skin tones, infused with calming aloe vera and won't block your pores unlike other tans. Simply drop into your daily moisturizer. The more drops you add, the darker you will go. Our versatile tanning drops will work with any skin tone and is perfect for both newbies and experienced tanners. Drop into any brand of moisturizer. The more tanning drops you add, the darker your tan will go. And then for the how to use, it says add 2 to 4 drops to your favorite moisturizer, mix and apply. More drops equals deeper tan. So as usual, that just makes it sound amazing. Of course, we'll see what it actually does for my skin. So here is what like the box looks like. Oh, my cat just came in. So if you hear any craziness or see any craziness, this is what it is. It's my baby. Oh my gosh. Okay, anyways, so it says natural looking tanning color, long lasting medium tan. No, I want it dark. That's okay. We'll see what happens. It also says, okay, so here is weird because it says apply 1 to 5 drops depending on the tone you prefer and add your favorite moisturizer. So I'm gonna do 5 drops because it says so on the box, and it says wait 4 to 6 hours to see results. So of course I'm gonna sleep on this as usual. So let me just take this out of here. Did I grab something different than what the website? Okay, so weird. So on the website, I don't know how well you guys can see, but it's like an all black bottle on the website, but then like when you flip over to the other pictures, it's like a clear bottle like this. So that just threw me off for a second there. That's weird. Okay. I'm really excited. I'm glad because I thought I got like a bad product for a second. Also, super, super weird because this feels like it's like used. Like the outside of this feels like weird and crusty. I don't know. And like, look at it. It's not all the way filled to the top. Like the product starts right here. I don't know if that's supposed to be like that or what, but that's like kind of concerning. I don't really know what to think right now. Alright, we're just gonna try it anyways and hope for the best, so we'll see. So I'm gonna mix it in with my moisturizer, and today I'm using the Glow Recipe Watermelon Moisturizer. I ran out of my Dermalogica, but this one is just as amazing, so it's fine. I'm gonna do like that much, and then we're gonna mix 5 drops of this into my moisturizer. So here we go. Super like liquidy and clear. And we could just get started. We'll talk afterwards. So let's go. Alright guys, I just finished applying. So I do want to say I love how it went on. Like it was so smooth and like easy to put on. It was a little bit more on the watery side, so it felt really like nice and slippery going on. Like it was just really quick. So I loved that. It worked perfectly with my moisturizer. Like I feel like they just like melted together, like they were like made for each other. Super weird, but awesome. I forgot to mention, I like this packaging, just minus the fact that like it looks like it's like crusty and dirty. Like that just threw me off, and I'm hoping that this is not used, but we'll see. But I do like the packaging. I feel like it's nice and simple. The applicator is just like a standard little like dropper thing, so I like that as well. It smells like a self-tanner, kind of like a self-tanner for the face. I don't know if you guys feel this way too, and this is probably like such a weird comment, but I feel like sometimes self-tanners smell like they have like a sour cream smell to them. That's so weird, I know, but especially for facial self-tanners, I feel like that's the case sometimes, and that's what this was giving me. So it definitely has a little bit of that like sour cream self-tannery smell to it, so I did want to bring that up. But other than that, like it went on so quick, it went on so easy, it feels really good. Like my skin feels hydrated, moisturized, it just feels really nice right now. So I'm excited. I put the full 5 drops, so I'm hoping that I get a good result out of this. We'll see tomorrow though. So I am just gonna sleep on this, and then tomorrow we'll see what it does for me. Fingers crossed that I love it, because I'm going on a ski trip tomorrow, so I'm really hoping that this looks good. So we'll see. But yeah, I'm gonna go to sleep on this. Like it says, the 4 to 6 hours, but I'm probably gonna keep it on a little bit longer. So I'm going to sleep, and then once I am up tomorrow morning, I'll come back, show you guys the result, and I will let you know if I think it's worth your money. Okay guys, it is the next day. I am back. I have let the tan develop, and I honestly feel like I got some good color. Like look at my body and then compared to my face. Obviously my body is darker, but I don't feel like it's darker by like a lot. I do see a difference in the color that I got in my face. With that being said though, I don't feel like it's like dark. So I definitely think, just like it says on the bottle that I didn't even notice until last night, it's more of like a medium kind of tan. I don't think it's dark by any means. I've definitely tried darker. So I think if you're trying to go for a darker color, like something that matches closer to your body, if you're using like a dark tan on your body, then I would either go with something else, or I would do more drops, because I did 5 drops of this, which it said like, what did it say, like 4 to 5 drops or something. I did 5, so I feel like to get like the color that I would have wanted, I probably should have done, I don't know, like 8 to 10 drops, maybe even more, because I feel like there's some self-tanners that claim to be like dark, ultra dark for the face, that are like a similar setup, and they tell you to do like 8 to 12 drops to get like a dark color. So I feel like that's kind of probably what needs to be done here too. And I guess that makes sense too, because if you think about it, this says 4 to 5 drops. There's 1 ounce in here, but I have other facial self-tanners that are like also 1 ounce, but they tell you to do 8 to 12 drops to get like the darkest color. So I feel like that's kind of the same thing here. I wouldn't listen to the 4 to 5 drop thing if you're actually trying to get like dark color on your face. But I do really like what this did for me for my face. Like I feel like it gave me enough color. Like I feel like it doesn't look like it's too much. It's not orangey, it's not like spotty or uneven or anything like that. It really did go on so smooth last night, and it was super comfortable to wear throughout the night too. Like it didn't feel like I had self-tanner on my face. It felt like I had just moisturizer on my face. Like it felt really good. So I did love that. And again, just like I mentioned last night, it was super easy to put on. So it worked really well, and I didn't wake up to any like unevenness or splotchiness, nothing like that. Like it looks very even, it looks very natural. I feel like it didn't settle into my pores, I don't think. Like it doesn't look like crazy dark around my nose or any like areas where that sometimes can happen. So I do really like what it did for me, honestly. I just think if you're looking for something very, very dark, keep those things that I said in mind. Like either go with something else or add more drops to this. Do I recommend? Overall, I would say, yeah, it doesn't hurt to try it. Like if you want to get like the body version and the face version in like a set, I think it's worth it because I really, really loved the body version. So this, I think, pairs really well with that. Honestly, I'm not wearing that body one, I'm wearing a different one, and I feel like it pairs pretty nicely. So I do recommend. I think if you're looking for a good medium tan, you're definitely gonna like this. If you want a dark tan, just do more drops or get something else, like I said. But overall, yeah, I like it. So that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed. Comment and let me know your thoughts. Let me know if you guys like this, what you think about it. Let me know what other self-tanners you want me to review. I need some ideas. Give this a big thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel, but stay tuned and I will see you guys in the next video.